Beloved staff and respected Chairman Vidyadhar sir, beloved Sagar sir, Venkatesh sir, and Dr. Iqbal sir, Nati sir, and all the beloved Vignan family members. Once again, on behalf of Vignan family, I welcome you all for this auspicious function.
Rather calling you gentlemen and ladies and gentlemen, I would like to address everyone as our family, Vignan family. So here Vignan family, it is everyone who are gracing your occasions on this day. So on behalf of Vignan family, I welcome you all, and I have some very important thing to share you on this occasion. So shall we, sir?
Yes, ma'am, please.
It is privilege to all the Vignan family members to honor an individual whose vision, dedication have brought transformative change to the educational landscape. Mr. Vidyadhar sir, the esteemed founder of Vignan E-Techno School and principal of Vignan College, has consistently demonstrated outstanding leadership and unwavering commitment to quality education.
Under Mr. Vidyadhar sir's guidance, these institutions have become pillar of learning, innovation and holistic development for students. His philosophy goes beyond academics, embracing a vision of nurturing young minds, instill values and prepare students for a rapidly changing world.
Mr. Vidyadhar sir has received the Karnataka Private School Association, that is RUPSA, that has recognized Mr. Vidyadhar sir's extraordinary contribution to education, awarding him the best management. This prestigious recognition is a testament of his restless pursuit of excellence, as he has inspired both students and educators to strive their best.
Mr. Vidyadhar sir's approach to management is rooted in empathy, fostering a supportive environment that encourages curiosity, creativity and critical thinking. He has been instrumental in building not just an institution but communities where learning is celebrated and growth is continuous.
This award is a reflection of the countless lives he has touched and the future he has shaped. Mr. Vidyadhar sir, we congratulate you on this remarkable achievement, and we believe that our organization stands tall due to the tireless efforts of our chairman.
Youngest chairman with highest experiences.
A person with multiple personality who got patience, persistence and perspiration.
He is a person who is a goal-oriented, icon of inspiration, broad-minded with the knowledge, committed to his vision.
Very humble, kind, supportive, who listens to our concerns. As a principal, I would like to say there may be a number of reasons for selecting him the best management. I personally, as a principal, my opinion is, sir always listen to our concerns. He welcomes our ideas irrespective of any staff. It could be a teacher, me, sir, anybody. He welcomes our ideas. He helps us to execute our ideas. And you know what? Whenever whoever approaches sir, he always listens to the concerns. And very important is, we all being paid at the end of the month before it's like a corporate. We feel like we are working in a corporate. I personally have seen, if anybody need any financial aid, sir never said no. This is what I believe. Personally, standing in front of you, I am really true to my words.
For this, I really require a round of applause. He has a marvelous personality and excellent entrepreneur. Let us go together.
Yes. We are proud to celebrate this moment with you. Thank you for your inspiring leadership and congratulations on this well-deserved recognition.
Thank you so much.